everyone. As we are today we are presenting about the TikTok company, how TikTok company use the technology to enhance the brand image among their competitors as well as in the perception of the consumers. So firstly, how social media, how TikTok company use the social media to create the perception, like positive perception in the consumers, in the eyes of consumers regarding that brand. Firstly, TikTok company use social media to to do research about the different segments like demographic segments, behavioral segment, and psychological segments of the consumers. This company do the research do the research what kind of needs and wants of the people, like what kind of flavor they want, and this company also make their target customer, which are based on their age group, their gender group, and the income level of the people, and also with the help of social media, this TikTok company display the features, what kind of features it providing, there are the different flavors in the TikTok ice cream, for example chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, creamy flavor, and others. So these features this company display with the help of social media, like there are the different kind of websites it's using and applications, for example Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. So for the better understanding of the online consumer, this company uses kind of applications. For example, there are the when this company do the marketing with the help of social media, then people are crazy to buy that product. When they go to the market, then they see there are the different flavors. So in at that time, there are the question arise in the mind of the consumer. For example, the consumer who have the diabetes problem, at that time they think about what this company provide for that kind of consumers. So at that time they give their feedback to the company. So on with the help of the social media, they this company know about what are the comments and feedbacks of the consumers. So this company, after that, this company started to produce the sugar-free ice cream for the diabetes kind of consumers. So in this way, this social media is helpful for the TikTok company to maintain the reputation of the company, and in this way, this company can create the positive brand image among the consumers and also in the competitive market. So this is the role of social media for the TikTok company. Next is establishment of tone of brand. Firstly, what is tone? Tone means what is the value of brand? What is the expressions of the people regarding the TikTok company? Are they like their products or dislikes? So social media helps to formulate the brand presence across platforms for addressing all user bases. So in this way, this company use a different kind of applications. For example, this picture shows that the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also this company use a YouTube to promote the TikTok ice cream. And in this way, this company also search which application consumers mostly use, and they also search that there are mostly more followers on the Facebook, there are approximately more than 200k followers on the Facebook, which are more than the other applications. So this TikTok company promote its TikTok ice cream on the Facebook more rather than the other applications. So in this way, people also give their feedbacks regarding that, which is very helpful for the company. If there is a positive feedback, then it works like an appreciation for the company, and the employees of the company do more hard work to promote and grow their sales and ultimately profit of the company. On the contrary, if there are the negative feedback of the consumers, then the company then there is a chance for the company to learn from that errors and to correct that errors and produce that kind of products and make the different products according to the likes of the people. Next, please. Next is brand story and personality. Like same like the every brand, Tip Top ice cream has also its own story. Like every brand has a brand story. Like there is no every brand is not produced at once. There is a story behind that. This is a result of the hard work of so many months or maybe some years as well. It depends on the availability of the resources what the company have, and what kind of this company do efforts to enhance the promotion of the company as well. So there is always story. For example, this TikTok company shows that it is established in the 1936, and it doesn't need this is famous at that instant time. There is it takes time to get popularity in the popularity among the consumers, because this company hear the questions and doubts of the consumers and provide the different flavors according to their demand, and make the differentiation, like differentiation to act as USP of brand image formulation. USP means unique selling proposition, means um, it also use the different kind of selling proposition, like according to the time it use the social media and that kind of websites and applications which are most using by the consumers. So in this way this company is able to create its brand image by providing the differentiation in the USP, like a unique selling point, and which is ultimately helpful to maintain its consistency in brand tone and image. And because according to that people give their feedback, like they are able to get the different flavors like chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor and creamy flavor. And nowadays this company also launch a new flavor like banana flavor for the consumers, which are mostly liked by the loyal consumers. So in this way this company is able to enhance its personality among the competitors. Next is marketing. Like marketing plays a very crucial role to spread the awareness about that product. And same like every company, retail company also use the different kind of media, like print media and social media. And in the social media it also use the different techniques and tools that can be used for delivering the message regarding the brand. For example, this picture shown like marketing in firstly marketing, like this company do the physical speech, like some kind of trade fairs and seminars whenever this company launch the new product and product differentiation as well. Moreover, the advertisements through the websites and different applications, and also this company do the little bit changes in the logo and design according to the time, and these things create the value of the brand. And after that when people get the differentiation in product, then they build more trust in that product, like they know that this company hear all the questions of their consumer and provide the product according to their demand. So in this way through the marketing this company is able to create its different identity in the market as well. And next is online branding strategy. Like this TikTok company also use social media marketing strategy, like as I already explained, the different kind of social networking sites and applications to spread brand awareness, and also create a different page, and on that page the people give their comments and give their feedbacks as well. And in this way there is this TikTok company interacted to the consumers towards their company, and they want to buy their product rather than its competitors, for example, rather than varieties and from quality. And next is digital marketing. This company also do digital marketing like through the e-commerce websites or other popular web pages that are visited by most of the target audience of the company. So these are the marketing and e-training strategies of the TikTok company. Thank you. This is all my part. Have you any question?
Any questions for her? Any questions from the class?
No.
Okay. So, how will you compare the number of people who patronize their online brand based on your research? How will you describe the effectiveness of their online marketing?
Like this TikTok company firstly did their search, how many followers they have, the different.
Not followers. People who patronize the brand online. How effective is it?
Like on online, this company do promotion, like what kind of ingredients it use, what kind of flavors, what kind of differentiation, like a different product it provide to their customers.
I'm talking about the conversion rate online. How many people buy or patronize the ice cream using the online platform?
Like there are many people.
Not necessarily giving me a specific number, but how effective is it?
Like I can say there are the more people buy the TikTok ice cream product as compared to the competitors.
Let's clap for her.
ਉਹਨੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ